One problem of Phaetec AK2000 gimbal when using Canon M50 mirrorless camera is that balancing it is impossible without modification. This video I will show you what you need to do to balance Phaetec AK2000 with Canon M50. Panning axis does not balance because vertical arm doesn't slide in enough. At scale, it can only slide to 4.3 when 4.7 is needed to balance the panning axis. Tools you need are these: a small crosshead screwdriver, small hex key about 1 mm, and file of some kind. Here is the problem area. Remove 2 crosshead screws. Lift the cover plate carefully. Stopper is screwed in with 2 hex screws. Remove the stopper. Here you can see the stopper. There is 6 or 7 millimeters to file if you want to keep the stopper in action. There is wires in vertical arm, so watch out. And of course, the kitchen table is the best place to do it. Put everything back together and enjoy your balanced Phaetec AK2000. Thank you for watching.